So I received this particular email from Google, and as you can see, the email say check your recent payment. We sent payment for your AdSense blah 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 earnings on April 22nd 2026, which is just few days ago. And you can see they say if you haven't received your payment via bank transfer after 15 business days from the date of this email, please contact bank for more details. I got this notification on the 22nd of this month, April 2026, and Google sent some payment to my account, but unfortunately I did not receive the payment. I had to wait, because if they send the money on the 22nd, you have to wait for some days before the money arrive Nigeria, which I really don't know why. Okay, because it's actually bank transfer. I waited for some days and I got my payment, and yesterday I went to the bank to withdraw some of the money. As you can see, that's me at the bank. Yesterday I withdrew the money, and I was about to leave the bank. I got my payment from Google. Today I want to talk about a site also that gave me this amount of money, and this is something that most people are neglecting, or because it's actually boring in 2026, but they don't know that what they are neglecting is what is actually working right now in 2026, or it still works in 2026. They just need a new strategy. See me for the first time, you'll come to my channel, the Solid Pictures TV. I talk about different side hustles right here in Nigeria. If you want to get more content from me, do want to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that if I drop a new content, they're going to notify you and you're going to be the first person to check it out. Please, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not saying after watching this video you start making money online. That is a lie. I'm just here to share an information of what has worked for me. So it's now left for you to do whatever you want to do with this particular information. It might be useful to you, it might not be useful to you. Also, just comment where you're watching from down in the comment section. I really appreciate you if you can just do that for me. Google pays. There are people that have still not received any money from Google in their life. The truth is that I've been receiving payment from Google for some years now, but this particular site also that paid me this money, this was the first time I actually received money from this particular site also. And the funny thing is that a lot of people have been neglecting it in 2026, and the reason is because of AI. With the rise of AI, if somebody have an issue, you can just go over to ChatGPT and ask, draft me this, draft me that. They can go over to Gemini and do the same thing. We have Perplexity, we have Grow. Because of AI, people are neglecting this site also, but they don't know that it's something that still works. You just have to change the strategy that you use to run this particular side hustle in 2026. First thing you have to do is for you to come over to Google and search for this particular website. They call this website whois.com. So search for this website. Just go ahead and click on the website, click on the search bar. So my name is Solomon Okon. So let me just search for something like Solomon Okon. So that's Solomon Okon. Let me add a .com to it. So I'm going to put .com right here. After I verify this, then we can continue. The reason why I'm actually searching for this is for me to see if anybody actually owns this name. Based on what I'm seeing right here, nobody currently owns this name. You can see solomonokon.com. And if I want to buy this name, I'm going to pay $13 to buy this name. You can see right there, this one is solomonokon.com. I can search for .info and the rest. So that one is just $1. solomonokon.fun. We have solomonokon.top. We have solomonokon.life. We have solomonokon.ai. The most expensive right here is .ai. solomonokon.space. This is just $1.18 every single year. Choose whatever name you like. Search for another website they call Spaceship. I have my account with this platform, so what you can do is for you to also create an account with spaceship.com. The reason why I'm going for Spaceship, because number one, I think it's much more cheaper, and number two, Spaceship right here can also give you something they call hosting. Now, you need Spaceship for two things. Number one is to buy a name for yourself, which is called a domain name. Number two is for you to get something they call hosting from spaceship.com. Now, what do you need to do next? The next thing for you to do is for you to create a website. If you want to create a website and you're not a developer, you can use what they call Blogger. Blogger is a company owned by Google. You don't need to know how to code for you to use Blogger to create a website, or you can use something called wordpress.com for you to create a website for yourself. It's very, very simple. I had a website with Blogger right here. It's very, very simple. I created this particular website with Blogger even without knowing how to create a website or how to code. Before you even start writing articles, you need to choose a niche. So select a niche. What are you going to be writing about? So select a niche. Okay, you can talk about football, talk about news, you can talk about celebrities, anything you want to talk about or anything you want to write about. You can talk about business, you can talk about tech, you can write about AI. And once you have created like over 100 articles on your website, the next thing you have to do is for you to apply for monetization on Google. Once you apply for monetization on Google AdSense and you submit everything, if everything is approved, it will be monetized. Actually applied for like 5 times, because they keep rejecting me and I have to keep applying over and over again before they finally accepted me. Then from there, any article you publish, Google will start displaying ads on your website, and that's how they start paying you. So now that you have created a website, you have done everything, even if you don't know how to create, you can pay somebody to create it for you. But that's not all, because we are just getting started. The main thing is for you to get traffic to your website. Now don't forget that you're just coming up and you're just a new website and you're competing with a lot of platforms, a lot of people, and a lot of big creators. A lot of people prefer to search for things using AI now than for them to start reading articles, because AI will just summarize everything and give it to them. Now, if you have a website and you don't have traffic, you will not be making any good amount of money. There are a lot of ways you can get traffic on your website. Now, the first way is through Google search. If you're just a new person, you're just a beginner, it's going to be very hard for you to rank on Google search. Number 2 is through AI search. AI is now giving a lot of people traffic on their website. This is also an opportunity for you as a blogger to get more traffic on your website. So whatever you're writing, write what can make ChatGPT recommend your website or recommend your article to other people on its own. And the third one is called returning viewers. If you create your website, add a notification button. Now, anytime you publish a new article, Google is going to notify those people that, hey, this particular website that you're following, there is a new article, will come and read it. That is another way you can use to get traffic on your new post or on your articles. Next one is the most important one, which is either you become a content creator or you become a media personality or you become a media company. If you're a content creator on Facebook or YouTube or wherever, even on TikTok, you can actually drive traffic from your videos to your website. From there, people can go there, interact with your articles, maybe solve their problems based on the articles you wrote about a specific issue. The second one, you are actually a media company or also a content creator though. And another thing you can do is for you to create a Facebook page and drive traffic with it. How does this work? So let me show you what I mean by that. So if I come over to Facebook right here, one company has over 4 different social media pages right here on Facebook. And if you're asking why, let me come to this one right here. They call legit NG gossip. Let me click on this one. So I'm going to click on it. You can see they have over 1 million followers right here. Now if I scroll down right here, you're going to see that there are a lot of, they post here every minute. Anytime you see a post here, know that there is a new article about that post on their website. And what they do is that after they post this on Facebook, if you click on the comment section, you're going to see a link pin in the comment section. This link right here will take people from Facebook directly to their article. This is another way people are using to make a lot of money from blogging in 2026. Create a Facebook page, create a blog. As you're writing articles on your blog, you're also writing posts on your Facebook page. And don't forget, Facebook also pays you for this post that you're making on Facebook. So if you post on Facebook and you get a lot of views and a lot of engagement, you're still making money from that. But even with that, your main goal is to drive traffic from that particular post to your blog post on your website. This is a strategy that people are using in 2026 to make a lot of money from blogging. Check this out and tell me what you think in the comment section, guys. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do have a lovely day and bye for now.